Okay, good day guys, and welcome back. We have this Miss City here, had some books. Alright. She donated 3 out of 8 of the books, alright, and gave away another 24 books. She had 4 out of 7 of the books left, and she packed them into 20 boxes. Some boxes contained 10 books, while the rest contained 18 books. Part A, we are asked to find how many books were packed into 20 boxes, right? How many books were packed in the 20 boxes? And how many boxes contain 18 books? Uh-huh. Part B will be much more interesting because part B we can use a lot of methods, assumption method, guess and check, and also algebra, which is my favorite. I will tell you in a short while, all right? Let's go through the first part of the question. Okay. Well, we know that she had some books that she wished to donate. She donated 3 out of 8 of the books, right? 3 out of 8 of books, and gave away another 24 books. And due to that, she had 4 out of 7 of the books left, and she packed them, whatever left, into 20 boxes. Fair enough. All right. So this Miss City here had a certain number of books. Well, the denominator says 8 units, correct? 3 out of 8. Okay, so we have to draw 8 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and the last one 8. Right? Okay. Now, the fact that she donated 3 out of 8 means 3 part of it, right? So we use this to indicate the donated portion. Oh, sorry. Star go to blue, all right, and this one also in blue, right? Just to indicate that these are the donated ones, right? Okay, fair enough, right? And 3 out of 8, right? And of course, balance we have 5 units, right? Okay, and of course, give away 24 books, right? Give away 24 books, 24 books. Oh, sorry, get my pen correct. Okay, so 24 books, and of course plus what, plus the 4 over 7, right? 4 over 7 left, right? Left. Okay, so just to duplicate and then put there, right? And style we use brown. Okay, all right, so this is what you're left with, right? You're left with this, and this is what city donated, 3 out of 8 books donated. Okay, okay, cool. Right, what else can we do from here? Now, next step, right? Of course, you pack them into 20 boxes, and of course, we are required to find a number of books that were packed into these 20 boxes, right? One thing for sure, um, the denominator 7 and this one 8 and 7, right? They are not the same, so can we make it the same, right? So, common denominators will be what? 3 and 7. So we have 4 and 7 here. Okay, we make into 56, right now. Yeah, just want to make sure that they are of the same color, right? It's blue, so we have over 56, and this is also over 56, and of course the 24 books will be still be there. 24 books is very important because this is your real number, all right? Okay, and we bring it all the way down, right? just to show you the pictures clearly. All right, so 8 times 7, 56. So the numerator also times 7 will be, of course, 21, right? And the 7 times 8, 56. Numerator times 8, 4 times 8 will give you 32, right? It means the total units of books now become 56 units, right? The total from one end to the other end, right, will be 56. Okay, let me just draw nicely. Okay, all right, 56 total, right? Total 56. Now, well, that means we know that this is 21 units here donated, and here will be 24 books plus 32 units, right? Okay, this portion is this. This is donated 21 units instead of 3 units, right? So standardize everything to become 56 units out of the total 56 units, right? That means, what else can we do? Well, we clearly can see from here that this portion is also equal to 56 units minus 21 units. Correct? 56 unit minus 21 unit. In other words, your 56 unit minus 21 unit will also be equal to 24 books plus 32 units, right? Okay, so what can we do? 56 minus 21 give you 35 units, right? Equal to 24 books plus 32 units. Which one is bigger, 35 or 32? Obviously 35 is bigger, so 32 has to go to the bigger ones, right? So 35 units minus 32 units equal to 24 books. Yep, so 3 unit equal to 24 books. Okay, and of course 1 unit equal to 24 divided by 3, that will give you 8 books, right? Okay, make it nice, right? 4, right? Okay, what are we supposed to find? If forgotten, we are required to find how many books are packed into the 20 boxes, right? Into the 20 boxes, whatever left, correct or not? Whatever left, because 4/7 of the books left, right? And 4/7, we know that it is equal to 32/56. That means we have to find 32 units, correct or not? Yeah, so 32 units is left, right? This is left, yeah, equal to, so 32 times 8, because 1 unit is 8, right? So 32 times 8 give you 256 books left. Done deal. Okay, simple, right? Quite straightforward. Now the next portion is much more interesting, right? Because the next portion we are required to find, um, she packed them, the balance, that means she packed the 256 books, right, into 20 boxes, right? And some boxes contain 10 books while the rest contain 18 books, right? And we are going to find how many boxes contain 18 books. Okay, well, we know for sure that we have to, these 20 boxes will occupy the, I mean, for how many books? 256 books, right? Yeah, and 20 boxes, there are two boxes, right? Two type of boxes. Some boxes contain 10 books, and some boxes contain 18 books. That means let's name them, these 20 boxes. We have box A and box B, right? Two boxes. And imagine, let's say, 10 box A will have 10 boxes, 10 books each, right? 10 books each. And of course, box B will have 18 books each, right? What does the word each means? It means what? Your box A, your box A, one box will have 10 books. Correct or not? Yeah. And if imagine we have A number of boxes, right? A number of boxes of box A, right? Okay, that will be 10 A books. You agree? That means the total number of books in box A, right, with A number of boxes will have 10 times A books, right? What about box B? Each means one box, right? Box B, each box of box B will have 18 books, right? 18 books, right? So imagine we have B number of boxes, right, that contain 18 books each. That means if we have B number of boxes, that means 18 B books. Simple. Now, after all this, can we make use of them? We know there are 20 boxes, right? Right? And how many box A? A, small A boxes. It means the small letter A, boxes of box A, and small letter B of box B, right, will be equal to 20. You agree? 20 boxes, right? This will be your first equation. And the total, in terms of the total number of books, this is 10A plus 18A. If you add these two, you should get 256 books. Okay? Yeah, that will give us your second equation, right? Your 10A plus 18B give you 256 books, right? That will be my second equation. Now, you realize that they want us to find the number of boxes that contain 18 books. 18 books is your box B, correct or not? So since we are interested in box B, we will have to get rid of A, right? In order to get rid of A, you see, your A from 1, from equation 1, your A is equal to 20 plus B, bring over, become minus B, right? This is my third equation. And I will substitute this number 3, equation number 3, into equation 2, all right? Because number 3 here, equation 3, come from number 1, right? So what you're going to do is substitute, right, equation 3 into equation 2, right? What happened is that we have 10A, right? So instead of putting 10A, but A we already know that is equal to 20 minus B. So might as well we just put 20 minus B here. The reason being, and then plus 18B, don't forget 18B. You realize now, the reason being, everything now is only one unknown, B. No more A. A, we already substitute 20 minus B. Simple, right? So equal to 256 as per normal. 256, yeah? Right? So your next step is to open up the bracket, right? Imagine, 10A means 10 times A, right? So A is 20 minus B. So it means 10 times 20 and also 10 times B. All right? It's just like a rainbow there, right? So 10 times 20 give you 200 minus 10 times B give you negative, because of the negative here, negative 10B. All right? And of course, plus 18B here equal to 256. Right? See, all in terms of B already, right? Easy, right? So we have only one unknown. Negative 10B plus 18B will give you positive 8B, right? Okay, imagine you owe me $10, all right? Then you pay me $18. So I have to return you $8. Simple as that. And of course, the 256 and 200, these are real numbers. The which one is bigger? 256 is bigger, so the bigger one stays, right? The smaller one bring over. So 256 minus 200. Why minus 200? Because it's a positive here. This is a unseen positive, right? If there's no sign in front of the numbers, right, it is a positive number. Simple. Very simple. These are part of the law of algebra, right? Okay, so we have is 8b equal to 56. Oh, sorry. 8b equal to 56. Therefore, b equal to 56 divided by 8. Right? That obviously will give you 7. Therefore, there are 7 boxes. Right? There are 7 boxes of what? Boxes of 18 books each. Simple. Okay? Now, let's try the assumption method. All right? Let's do assumption method. Can we solve this question using the assumption method? Right? Part B, yeah? Same thing, same question, right? So instead of everything, so what we put is assumption is just assume, right? Assume all 20 boxes, right? All the 20 boxes contain, right? Contain 10 boxes. I mean, sorry, 10 books. Okay. So if that is so, that means the number of books, right? The number of books will be 20 times 10, right? There will be 200 books. Obviously, we have the difference, right? The difference in the number of books means 256 is the original one that we found minus 200, that give you 56, and the difference in the number of books per box, right? Per box difference, right? It will be 18 minus 10, right? Equal to 8 books per box. Therefore, number of boxes with 18 books, right, will give you 56 divided by 8, right? 56 divided by 8, that will still give you the same answer as your 7, right? That means there are 7 boxes with 18 books. Assumption method is, yeah, you have to memorize here and there, right? But the choice is yours, okay? That's all about it. It's quite easy, isn't it? Right? That's all, folks. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.